In this video, I'm going to show you how to change out your climate knobs to the blacked out 8 and James. This is going to be for a 21 Toyota Tundra. First thing you do is unscrew the screws in the back. Use a small flathead and wedge between the tabs. Use the same flathead and press down the tabs, and you're able to release the knob. So get your new replacement knob and slide it back into place. Go ahead and pop off the other side. Click the tab there, release the control knob. You can put back the housing. Now put your AJT knob back in and click. Now on the back side of the faceplate, go ahead and use a flathead and pry the little clips out on all 4 corners, and it should slide off. Other side, same thing. Pry with 1 finger and use that screwdriver to wedge, and it should come out. That's the 4 points right there that you want to pry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for the trim around the knobs, it can only go in one way, so look carefully at the grooves and make sure that it lines up, and then you're able to push it in. And there's a little middle chrome piece there. Just go ahead and wedge a screwdriver there, press in the corner, wedge out the little clips, and it should slide right off. Install the new Blackout piece. Simple, just line it up and press on both sides, click. Go ahead and put the back plate back on. Go ahead and push on 4 corners, and it should clip in. Screw all 6 screws back in. And there you go. You guys are done. The knobs are blacked out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.